Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kelly Banks, back with another video. I told y'all I'm coming back and I'm bringing y'all all things self-care, all things self-love, all things self-improvement, okay? So today we are going to be making ginger ale from scratch because y'all, I'm from the South, right? So I love me some ginger ale, but we're being healthy this year. That's why we're going to make it from scratch. But before we get into the video, I gotta tell y'all about the community that I started. And this all stemmed from something that I went through traumatic last year, and I really wanted to turn my tragedy to triumph and really motivate and let you guys know that you're not in it alone. This is a community for people who want to elevate their self-care, elevate their skin, their body, their finances. Like, we just elevating, okay? We elevating. So I have courses in there right now, self-esteem courses, self-improvement workbooks, as well as like I have a vendor list if you want to start a business and need vendors. It's all in the self-improvement lab. And then guys, we get to connect every single week and go over like how we can improve, and you get to talk to me. So I love that. Also going to be bringing in experts on whatever you need, whether that's fitness, like I said, helping your mental, because that is first, getting your mind together, because how can you focus on anything if your mind is not right? And I feel like your fitness goes into that. So that's why we're going to be making ginger ale today. I'm super excited. Let's get to it. Okay, so first I think I'm supposed to chop up some ginger. Let's get our ingredients together.
So of course you need ginger, brown sugar, which I had some in the pantry. Make sure you get brown sugar.
Lemon lime.
And then you also need sparkling water for the fizz, and then a lime. So really simple ingredients, and get you some filtered water.
I'm about to use this ginger juice too. I don't know. And some water. Let's get it.
Y'all already know homemade ginger ale is much better for your body because you know ginger has those gut healing properties. But homemade ginger ale is also fresher. It's more beneficial for your overall health, your skin, your body. You can really customize this drink. So I added a little bit more ginger just because I need those healing properties for my skin. But first things first, let's chop up this ginger, okay? Chop it up into smaller pieces, and then you're going to put it in a pan, and you're going to add some water. I just added a little bit of ginger juice that I had left over. So. But all I had was a lime, so I thought we'll do. So if you have lemon or lime, grab that, your brown sugar, chop up your ginger, and just put it in a saucepan and put the heat on medium. You guys, this is going to be a tasty drink. I'm trying not to add too much sugar because what did I tell y'all this year? We are healing our bodies, our hair. We are healing our bank accounts because this is our year, y'all. So we are going to substitute that unhealthy, sugary soda, juices, drinks for healthier versions, okay? Because we are trying to live longer and be healthy human beings. But I also wanted to touch on how ginger has such great effects. Like it has vitamin C, B6, iron, magnesium, and zinc. So that one little ginger shot is helping you be healthy, fight off all the nasty stuff in the world, and really help you be a healthier version of yourself. So let's see how this homemade ginger ale is going to come out. I'm excited because we're also adding the sparkling water, which helps with gut health. So if you have any other suggestions to help with your skin and gut health, drop them below. But as you can see right now, I'm just letting the ginger boil over medium to high heat, and we're going to let that boil and simmer. Remember, I told y'all change just doesn't come overnight. It's good to take baby steps, small steps, as long as you're taking steps forward to the person you want to be. That's all that matters.
It's supposed to be boiling.
So now it's come to a boil, baby. Here we go. We cooking. The ginger is boiling. So it's supposed to boil and you're supposed to let it simmer when it turns into a thick, syrupy consistency. And that's what you're going to add to the sparkling water, which makes the ginger ale. Now I'm just really making sure that this concoction with that brown sugar is going to have enough ginger. I'll also add a lid just to let it simmer and get all the nutrients in there that we can get. Try to let it simmer for at least 30 minutes to get all the nutrients.
Okay, y'all, so I don't know if I did this right, but I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. They said that you're supposed to let it simmer and boil, which I did for 20 minutes, and I let it cool down. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Yeah, this is super cool. Can y'all see that? I don't know. Let me know in the comments if this is right. But it's supposed to be like a syrup. It's supposed to be a syrup that you drain. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna drain it.
Okay, friends, so now get your strainers. It's time for the best part. Let's strain out the ginger pieces because we're gonna leave the part that they actually make the homemade ginger ale with. And make sure y'all clean as you go. We do not like dirty spaces. We have clean minds and clean houses. So we clean as we go. And I'm about to just go ahead and make this ginger ale.
Now I have my cup. They say you're supposed to fill it up with ice, and then we're gonna add the syrup and add our sparkling water. So we're gonna see how this turns out. I don't know. You're supposed to like do a little bit.
Time for the big finale. We're pouring that sparkling water in there. It looks pretty good. It looks like ginger ale, you guys. Drop it in the comments if you think it looks just like the ginger ale from the store.
Let's see if it tastes like ginger ale. You guys, it's good, but I think it's just too much ginger. It's really gingery. But anyways, it's good for you. So I'm just gonna gulp this down. And it heals my skin. It has a lot of healing properties. So we're doing everything to help our bodies and mind be healthier this year. So let's get it. Next time I'm gonna try it a little different, but drop your recipes below, like, comment, and subscribe. I really hope y'all like this video. Have you ever felt like you just wanted more out of life? It's Kelly Banks. Are you ready for a new life? Are you ready to elevate? Are you ready for a bigger bank account? Are you ready to elevate your fitness? Are you just ready to become a better you? You need to join the Self-Improvement Lab, where we just don't talk about it, we are about it. We go over all things self-improvement, whether that's finances, journaling, health, wealth, fitness. We have the community where we're here to support. We have live sessions, trainings, exclusive mentorships from business people just like myself, who get on live every single week and talk about how to self-elevate. If that's you, go ahead and join the Self-Improvement Lab, where we go over all things self-improvement. If you need a better body, if you need a bigger bank account, you need to go ahead and join the lab and we will get you right. You go ahead and click the link